And if you want to be sure of what is in there, you want to be really sure that it's 100% organic, you have to do it yourself. Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be making a DIY organic avocado oil. Yes, it's very good for skin. Avocado oil can be really very expensive if you want to get a very organic one. If you want to have a healthy skin, you want your skin to glow, you want to look younger, you have to continue washing. In case you are new here, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So avocado oil is one of the best oils if you want to take care of your hair. You want to grow your hair in length and in fullness, you have to try avocado oil. It's one of the best oil if you want to have a healthy skin as well. You want your skin to glow, you want to have a younger looking skin every day. You want to get rid of stretch marks, all those, you won't have it when you use organic avocado oil. Okay, so this oil is for all skin type. It's a carrier oil. So if you want to know the best way to prepare this oil, you just have to continue washing. Avocado oil is a powerful sunscreen. You can just go out in the sun, you won't be afraid of any sunburn. Alright guys, so if you want to know how to prepare this avocado oil, you just have to continue washing. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like and share this video to everyone. Alright guys, so let's just quickly go straight into this remedy now. To make an avocado oil, you have to get a very ripe avocado, a very soft one like this. Look at it. When you press it, it will be very soft. You have to get one that is very soft. Okay, this is one oil that I really love so much. It's loaded with antioxidants. It's rich and loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin A, D, and E. Natural sunscreen. It helps to glow your skin, vanish wrinkles and fine lines. It's great for your nail growth as well, in case you are the type that love growing your nails naturally. If you desire a very full and longer hair, you have to try avocado. This is one oil that I love so much. You can use it on kids as well. There are two methods in producing avocado oil. We have the double boiling method and we have the cooking method. That is, you have to fry it. If you are going to be doing this method, the cooking method, you have to make sure it's on a very low heat. So guys, you have to get your pan. This oil is very easy to make, especially this method. The two methods are very good. They contain the same nutrients and very healthy for the skin and hair. I just want to show you the simple method. You have to cut it open. Alright, so this is very ripe. You can see it. So we have to get the flesh from it. I love making my avocado oil myself because I'll be very sure of what I use. I love this method, this cooking method so much because you won't have any skin irritation. This method, you don't need to dry it on the sun, you know, to avoid dust, sand getting into it. So guys, I'm going to mash it. You can as well blend it using your blender, but I just want to do everything sharp. Alright, so I'll just keep it aside and show you the next step. These are the oils you are going to use in case you want to make avocado oil. You have to use extra virgin olive oil or you use organic coconut oil, 100% organic. Alright, so these are the two oils you have to use in making it. In this video, I'm going to be using the olive oil to make it because I still have enough. My coconut oil is almost finished, so I don't need to use it. It's really small. Alright, so let's just go straight to the kitchen and continue the process. So you have to place it on a cooker like this, just for like 2 minutes before adding the oils. Any oil you want to add. If you want to mix your coconut oil with olive oil, you can just do so. But in this video, I'm going to be using only olive oil as my carrier oil. After 2 minutes, it's time to add your oil. add the quantity of oil you want to use, but it's best to add just little of the oil. Then you just go straight and lower the heat again. Lower the temperature, stir it and leave it for some time. You can see it right now, it's greenish, but after preparing it, guys, you see that the color will fade. Even the second method is also the same thing. When you dry it in the sun, it won't be greenish any longer. They are both the same thing. This method, you just have to lower the temperature, okay? Every 5 minutes you have to check it, stir it. Every 5 minutes, just make sure you stir it. It's still on a low heat. You can see the foam has really gone out, right? Changing color as well. I'm going to leave it for a few minutes more because everything has not really turned brownish. You can see there are some greenish ones remaining. Still on a low heat, please. Do not hide the heat. Alright guys, so we are done. Everything is brownish in color. This is the time to set it aside. Allow it to cool down before the next process. You can see it is well dried. All the water content has gone out. You have to have patience because it may take you like 2 hours to get to this stage. Okay, you don't need to rush it or increase the temperature. If you want a quality avocado oil, you have to have patience. So look at it, look at the oil. Mine stayed for 1 hour. I place it on a very low heat and I stir it every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes you have to stir it. So it's time to strain it out, to squeeze out the oil. I don't need this. This is the shaft. I'll just go straight and trash it out. Guys, I'm going to filter it again. If you have a cheesecloth, you can make use of a cheesecloth. If you also have this type, you just go ahead and make use of one. So I'll just sieve it out to get rid of the particles further. So to remove all those tiny particles in it, you have to do it like 1 more time. Okay? If you don't have a cheesecloth and you don't have this strainer, you can just make use of your handkerchief. Use your handkerchief, place it, sieve it out. So this is it. This is my oil. Very, very rich. This oil is very healthy. I add it to my creams as well. Alright, so this will serve as a sunscreen as well in case if you go out in the sun. This oil is filled with so many goodies for you. I love making it myself because I'll be very sure of what I'm using. So I'll be making use of this container as my storage to make sure you place it on a low heat when making it. Do not increase the temperature of the heat. With the help of a funnel, I'll be transferring it into this can. And this is the quantity I made and it will last me for a very long time. Okay, so if you want to apply it on your hair, few drops is enough. Just massage it directly onto your hair. Massage it directly. But if you want to use it for your skin, you just have to add it to your moisturizer. If you are going to be using it for your facial skin, you want to use it for face, add it into your facial cream. Okay, a moisturizer, any moisturizer you are using, just add few drops of it. then before applying it on your face, because it causes irritation on some people's skin when they apply it directly. Okay, this method is very good. It's also very good, just like the other method, okay? But this method is the fastest, and you just have to make sure you reduce the temperature of the heat. I use for my skin. If you want to glow your skin, you want to look everyday young, you want to control wrinkles and fine lines, you want to get rid of sunburn, this is for you. You want to grow a very healthy hair in length and in fullness, this is for you. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video to everyone, okay? And if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, can you do so by hitting the red subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. I've made ginger oil already and I've shared it. If you have not seen the video, you can just check it out. I'll also be leaving the link in my description in case you want to know how to make your own ginger oil. I'll also be showing you guys how to make carrot oil. I'll be showing you how to make coconut oil and so many other oils. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time.